I have all my rears. I have 7 rears. 3 glow-in-the-darks, 1 gold, 1 silver helmet, 1, and those 2 in the back. And I have 5 Redskins, 4 Eagles, and 7 Green Bay Packers. And
how do you feel about the Green Bay Packers?
Super stinky. And I also have 5 Browns, 4 Titans, and 3 Steelers. And I also have 5 Rams and 5 Buffalo Bills, 6 Giants, and 3 Lions, and 3 Panthers, 3 Bears. Yay, Bears! They're the greatest team in the world. Dolphins, 2 Dolphins, and 5 Buccaneers. This is also my stadium. Have all 32 teams, 3 Jets, 3 Cowboys. These also standard up figures. This tin can. All my vehicles. Truck for the Bears. Car for the Bears. Van for the Bears. And Michigan train. And we also have, this is a whole bunch of teammates. Blah, blah. Now done.